people have one main concern when it comes to AI in the digital world. Can these machines actually take my job? As it happens to any aspect of life, you either bite or you get bitten. And the situation with AI is no different. You can either stay inactive, waiting for an AI software that does your job better, faster, and with less money to replace you. Or you can become the boss and learn how to utilize AI for your own benefit, and eventually, make tons of money out of it. That's what we are going to learn today, exploring one of the most profitable AI applications for making money online. Let's get into it. I want to refer to a specific term, content marketing. Content marketing is an umbrella term, as it has many subcategories. And that's what makes this method special. AI can help you with a variety of tasks related to content marketing, something that makes it one of the best methods to make money with AI. Hold on, let me explain. For many years now, content has been thriving when it comes to marketing, and one of the most important aspects of content marketing is bringing up new ideas constantly. Content marketing is a strategic approach that involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a target audience. It aims to drive profitable customer action by building trust, establishing brand authority, and nurturing long-term relationships with customers. AI is a powerful means that can generate tons of interesting ideas on new content that people really care about. AI can do that even better than humans. Firstly, you can focus on social media, as AI can do most of the work for you. What really brings AI to the table is ideas and time management. Usually, it was required by a person to do all the writing, content creation, caption writing, and other staff. Well, with AI this literally has changed. The most basic form of social media is to create a blog, and with AI you can create a script for anything you may think of. Whether it is about nutrition, exercising, psychology, marketing, football, or makeup instructions. Literally everything. If you want to make an extra step and dive further into the social media world, you can create content for TikTok through a command, or you can create your next Facebook post or your Instagram caption in the same way. Asking ChatGPT for ideas can bring you a lot of ideas, and you have to just pick one. Content creation and script writing has never been easier. To add on that, if you want to start a YouTube channel, AI is here to solve your hands. To make a video you need a script, a voiceover, a thumbnail, and video editing. There are AI tools that offer all of these options. But, hey! Stop! I want 10 seconds of your time. If you feel like getting some value from what you heard already, the best way to say a small thank you is by leaving a like. That's the best way to support, since the main intent behind this channel is not to promote or sell you something, but just educate you for free. And apart from content creation, you can also utilize AI for SEO and grow your business and online presence. SEO is the practice of improving a website's visibility and ranking in search engine results pages through various techniques and strategies. A well-optimized site will be the first result in search engines for highly searched keywords. This translates into thousands of visitors every month and, a result, tons of new customers. And guess what? SEO is one of the sectors that AI has made the biggest advance in. At this point of the video, we will get a bit more practical, and I will share with you some of the top AI tools that will definitely help you with maximizing your marketing efforts and making more money online. And no, this video is not sponsored. Content creation. A really good option is GrowthBar. It allows you to conduct keyword research, write content, and optimize it, all checked by AI. It has a content generator, it provides blog ideas, and if you are in e-commerce, it provides you with internal links. Another great AI option is Buffer. It helps you build your audience organically, gain followers, and always have quality content for your posts. With the help from Buffer, you can always check if you are in the correct way of building your profile. If you have problems with the voiceover of your videos, Revoicer is your solution. This AI tool is so good that you can even request a tone for the voice. It can be an exciting one, a sad one, adventurous, angry, and many other tones to choose from. The final file can always be changed within minutes if you think something is not quite right. Video creation. With the help of InVideo, you can choose where you want to add text on the voiceovers, create videos in different dimensions, and have access to a variety of stock video footage and background music. And in case you want to upgrade your videos, you can always consider Caber. It is a platform made by artists with the goal to improve your existing videos. They can transform and animate your videos, making them so unique. When it comes to SEO, you are going to love Surfer. With the help of this AI tool, you can generate small texts with catchy headlines, write and optimize content, and make sure it is unique. Everything you need to have the correct hashtags and content in order to grow your social media organically. And finally, thumbnails. A very eye-catching tactic when you want to bring in new followers. With the help of Imagen, you can insert a description to the AI bot and it will provide you with an image. That was all for today, guys. If there is anything you would like to discuss about your way to success in making money online, the comments section of this video is open to any one of you. Here is the news. I am starting a challenge of helping anyone in this channel build at least a $500 per month side hustle in 30 days. It is totally free, and all you have to do is get the weekly ideas and inspiration I will be sharing with my videos. So, feel free to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching.